What's good YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Duck Barber Jacobs. I hope all of you are safe and healthy, and some of you that are watching this video right now are looking like this, or even that, or even this. And I know all the barbershops are closed from this coronavirus, and I also need a haircut as well. So today I'll be making a tutorial video how to fade your own hair with the simple quick steps. So for this haircut, all you need is just a clipper with adjustable lever like this one, as you can see, that you can open and close the levers, open and close the lever to change the length of the blades, and 3 guards that usually come along with the clipper. So if you don't have one, go to Walmart or Target or anywhere that sells a hair product and just buy one of these. It usually costs around like $15 to $20, so it's not much. Just get one for yourself and try it out. And let's get started. Alright, let's start off with number 3 guard closed, and number 3 guard is 9mm, and when I say closed, that means there's a black lever on the side of clipper and you have to push it up high so that 2 blades are closer to each other and cuts shorter than the open lever. So right now what I'm doing is I'm shaving the side of hair up to the length where I want my fade to end. So I want to leave the long hair on top, so there's a line right there, hairline right there, so I hold it with my hand so I don't go over that line, but then until that point I just shaping up the hair with number 3 guard. Alright, so after we're done with that, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a guideline around your hair. So close on the lever, 0 guard, and create a guideline. Yeah. And notice how I'm holding my clipper when I'm doing this process. And I know it's hard when you're holding a mirror on the other hand and looking at yourself in the mirror. It's gonna be tough for the first time, but you get used to it once you're going with the process and flow. And just shave off that bulk and clean up the bottom. Okay, so time to time, make sure to brush down your hair, because when you cut your hair, there's a tiny hair that's like stick on your scalp, so you want to remove that thing. So right now, open up the lever. So when I say open, that means the black lever is placed horizontally. Go up and about like 2.5, no, not really, 2.5 centimeters, right? About an inch. I'm creating another guideline around my head. So you can see like the band, right? Like the band of hair. And I'm going back and forth and making sure that each spot has the same length or width. And go back and close your lever again and flick that line between guideline 1 and guideline 2. So you flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it. And you open up your lever halfway, just the halfway, not all the way. And then go up a little bit more to erase that line. Again, when I cut my hair, I usually do it in a very bright place. If it's dark place, there's a chance that you might not see like the spot or like the lines and stuff. So it's better to do it somewhere that's bright. So place your number one guard, which is 3 millimeters, and open up the lever. Yes, straight down. And again, go up and create another guideline for about an inch or half an inch. So it's like 1.5 centimeters. Yeah, and you can see another band around your head. Yeah, slowly the fade is coming out, so this is what we want. And the next thing we have to do is to attack that line between number one guard and zero guard, and I'll get into it right now. So same guard, just close up that lever and attack that dark spot between number one open and zero open. So when you cut this hair, you often hear this buzz sound like zzz, 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 and you know that's cutting, the clipper is cutting the hair, which is good. But when you do it and if you don't hear the sound, that means it's not cutting the hair. So pay attention to these sounds and know that like the clipper is cutting your hair. So right now we're using number two guard. Close, yes, close. So 6 millimeters, and again, just flick that line. So like imagine like blending the bright spot and the dark spot. So there's like a line between like dark spot and the bright spot, right? So you want, just imagine to flick that line to blend in. So you don't want to create like a harsh guideline, but then it's more like flicking the line to blend in the two different contrast of hair. Okay, so I'm back with number one guard open, and go back and flick that line, and just this is basically detail work of my haircut, so that like the transition and the fade is beautiful. I think this would be the hardest part for beginners, because it's sometimes very easy to push up the guideline and make it like a bit weird, but spend enough time and be patient, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's not like you're going to see anyone. Okay, so this is the additional step, because not everyone has this trimmer, but if you have trimmer, you can also shape up your hairline. And this is my favorite part of haircut, because this is where you define your crispness, you know. This is when things get sharp and crisp and looking good. So I'm creating like the box shape hairline for my hair. And I like to take my time here as well, like little by little, because you know, if you mess up, you can't go out for 2 weeks or so until your hair grows. So I'm taking it real slow. I'm taking it real slow, and just like a tap, tap, and tap, 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 tap and release, tap and release, tap and release, until I reach that like beautiful shape. But the cut is almost done. yeah, like my nasty beard on the side, so I'm just shaving up, trying to make it look nice. And also, like, I would like to fix my eyebrows. You can also do that too. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my cut, make sure to subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram right here. See you.